Hello Discord enthusiasts, welcome back to the ITyug 24/7. So today we are diving into the world of wonderful Discord servers. In this video I'm going to tell you about how to create your own Discord channel. So without delaying, let's get started. But before starting this video, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Click on the plus icon to add a server on your Discord homepage. Here you can start with sample templates, but we are moving on with create my own. Now it's your call either to choose for a club or community or for your friends. I have chosen the for a club or community option. Moving on, enter your server's name. I'm naming it BGMI as my server will be purely dedicated to the game. Time to upload a good picture for the icon. Yes, it's done now. Once done, click on the create button and you'll get your own server ready. Now you can invite your friends to join your server by sending them this link. Send your first message on the server. I'm running Discord on a browser, so it's showing me options to download the app. You can ignore it. You can also add apps to your server, make it more customized. And there you have it, folks. Your beginner's guide to conjuring a Discord server is complete. So hopefully you like this video. If you like this video, I already told you, just give it a thumbs up. I'll see you in the next one.